Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you all how to search for items online using AI. Speaking specifically, I'm talking about the Google Lens, and it's going to be shown on the Honor Magic C11 Lite. So firstly, we need to take a picture of the thing that we would like to search for, or a screenshot. Then we need to go into Google Photos, make sure it's not a normal gallery, but Google Photos. It works only there. Now tap on the picture that you would like to search for online. So let's say I would like to search for this plant. Oh, never mind, it's a video for this plant. Now all I gotta do is just hit on lens here at the bottom, and it's going to show me results online. As you can see, they are pretty accurate, and that is going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have more questions, let us know in the comments.